Manufacturing in Northeast Ohio is advanced manufacturing. People are coming in, they're working on highly automated, modern machinery, and a company like Viega is going to add to those advanced manufacturing jobs that people want.
This is the recipe for success for us going forward, that we are not just and only focused on the financial KPIs, but also much more holistically making sure that we are culturally evolving, that we have a view on sustainability, but we're also making sure that we are giving back to the communities where we are located.
So our Northeast expansion, or production facility, will be the first ever facility within Viega to combine not only the production environment, but also the customer experience. So they can really truly understand what Viega, not only the brand is, but what the company is all about.
Northeast Ohio has a legacy of really great brands that are thriving in our market. We've got Smuckers, we've got Sherwin-Williams, we've got Goodyear, and those companies have been able to succeed here because we have a great population, great talent. We've got supportive community partners, and we've got access to great transportation that can move products around the U.S. And we feel like Viega is going to be added to that list of growing.